Experiment Friends 6. Today we're going to do baking soda versus vinegar.
Who do you think's going to win?
Baking soda.
Of course. Well,
yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you for coming to Experiment Friends 6.
Experiment Friends number 6.
And let's see if you can guess what we're doing today. 1, 2, 3.
Vinegar versus baking soda.
All right.
Right.
Exactly. What we're going to do is we've got baking soda and vinegar, and vinegar has acid in it, and baking soda has carbon in it. And when you put them together, they react against each other. There's carbonic acid and sodium acetate is the product of the mixture. Come a little closer and we're gonna show you how it goes. First of all, we just took a little bowl just to start off with just a simple experiment to show how it works. Oh, and vinegar is so strong, man.
Oh, yeah.
So, all right, so you put it in. All right, little vinegar, you got that? Nice, good look. Come close. Come closer. All right, now Caleb, pour some in there. Pour it good. Nice and big, nice and big, nice and big. See the reaction? Pretty cool, huh? That's a chemical reaction. And you feel it. See how it fills up the whole bowl, right, Caleb?
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Put some more vinegar in it.
Well, this is just to show how it does. All right, now what we thought we have a few more things to try and see how this reaction works in a closed environment. Tell what happens here.
Okay, so
After our first shot at it.
So we're gonna like Richard said already, we're gonna try it what happens when we put baking soda in and quickly close the lid.
With a closed environment, we think it will explode somehow, and especially this lid. I've got a little Powerade type lid that will pop open, so I think that's what it'll do. I hope that's what it'll do, okay? So, Caleb's gonna pour some in there on the top. Caleb, face the camera, face the camera, face the camera. All right, pour a good amount in there, okay? Try to fill it up. Fill it up good, fill it up good. Fill it up good. All right, let's try that now, okay? I'm gonna initiate this thing and close it real fast. Caleb, you're standing right in front of the camera. All right, here we go. What do you think? Ready? 1,
Go.
2, 3. All right, let's see if it pops open.
Let's
You hear
shake
it? You
it
hear
a
it?
little bit. Shake it a
You
little
hear
bit.
it?
Shake it a little bit. And it'll come faster. It's coming.
Definitely fizz it up. Is it gonna pop open? Nope. Not quite.
Put a little more vinegar in it.
So we're gonna try something else to see if it pops open, okay? We'll try this one.
We're gonna try this.
Try another one, real quick, on real
I
soft.
can't.
All right. See if that explodes.
Can't really see it real good.
Yeah. I think that one was a bust because we can't put the lid on real tight. It just bubbles up, but you see it bubbling in there. Do you see it in there?
Yeah.
All right. So this one right here has a pop open and pop close lid. So what we can do is we can just see if it'll explode that lid open. So fill that guy up. Fill it up. Yeah, fill the rest in there, huh? Just pump the rest in there. All right, go, right now. Quick. All right, Lydia, get out of the way. See if it opens it.
Yeah.
Red wine on everything. Red wine on everything. Last call, it won't cost you anything. Out of respect, Pajano's wildin'. 30 chains around my neck. Mr. T and below sweat.
Vinegar.
That scared me to death.
So you got the glasses on. That was cool, huh? Pow!
That makes me know how to use that bummer.
So that was a successful experiment, friends. What do you say?
Pyramid Friend 6.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Pajano's wildin'.